Hello there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. And today I'm going to be sharing a layout which I created in under 12 minutes. So the story behind this was that I kind of forgot my blog post on the Altenew scrapbook blog, and so I had to quickly whip up a little page for today, which is what I did. And so I decided just to go with all of the scraps I had. So lots of Altenew scraps, leftovers from previous projects like cut up washi tape, flowers from cut up washi tape, some wood veneer that I just pulled out, leftover stamps, a couple of acetate elements, a frame from the Reflection scrapbook collection, and I also had these You Are Loved die cuts which I created from a Facebook Live. So I'm just going to use a couple of papers I had lying around on my desk. These are from the Celebrate You kit, so I'm just going to be doing lots of layering with this. So this is an easy way to create a layout. Now usually when I create a layout it's because I want to keep a memory, so it's thought through, I've got a design in my head. This time, because it's for an assignment, I didn't have the idea. I just went with the flow and just popped everything onto my page, doing what I like best, which is kind of layering. So here I'm using one of those cards. This is from the Our Family scrapbook collection, and I'm just cutting them up so that I can layer them at the top and at the bottom. And then from this kind of general layered effect, I'm going to be working with the different embellishments. I do like the idea of a frame, but I'm going to get out a larger one, which I still had lying around as well, just to frame the photo and give it a little bit more definition. And then I'm going to add all of the little embellishments until I'm happy with the placement, and then I can add a little bit of journaling, and that's the finished layout. So this was kind of a really quick layout with no special idea and not really a focus on one particular product, but a bit of all of those products. And I bet a lot of us have some of those leftovers in our little bowls or in a little box, and this is a great way just to get crafting if you have to do something really quickly, like whip up a quick card, or you want to make a quick memory of something, or maybe a quick present. So there you go, that's almost the finished layout. I just have to glue everything down, add a bit of journaling and some final details, and then I'll be finished. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this quick video of this really fast layout. It took me 12 minutes, under 12 minutes to create. And if you need more information on all of the products used, you can find that on the Altenew scrapbook blog, and just click on that in the comment section below if you're on YouTube. And if you're already on the Altenew scrapbook blog reading the blog post, you can find all the links in the supply lists. So thank you so much for joining me. I wish you a lovely day, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.